It's snowy. We're walking to the panto. Gotta admit, this is the first exercise we've done in ages. Feels good, but tiring. Let's go outside.
Wow. Tony.
Yes.
Are you droning on again?
It's raining. I don't want to get my drone wet. Gemma, it's raining.
Oh no! It's gonna rain away all your snow as well.
Oh, for God's sake! No flying drones outdoors. So, we're gonna see if there's anywhere I can do it indoors. Okay, here's option one. In fact, let's just go for it. Okay, let's try this. Well, that didn't turn out too well. Right, let's try again. All in all, I'd say that was a success. Yes! So in the panto, there's this thing called 12 Days of Christmas, where it's just mental. Here's a clip. And today, I'm gonna be the monkey. Safe to say I'm knackered after that.